So I'm at home like I always am, right? I done
Hold on.
enjoyed my I done enjoyed myself tonight with my company, my family, and my husband. He went out tonight, right? So y'all know they always want to say, "You ain't got no job, you ain't got no job, you don't want no job, you ain't got no job," right? Okay, so
You just sit
tonight
right over that
he
nigga face.
so so tonight he comes home after enjoying himself out, and he ran into a
A group of them.
subscriber.
A group of
It was a group
subscribers.
of them.
Whole group of them.
I thought it was just
When
two.
the lady was showing you around the camera, that whole
Oh
group.
yeah, she did say it was her family with her.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so uh, my husband ran into some subscribers, and this is what he had to say, y'all. When I tell y'all, he is so excited.
Listen, I'm coming here, Mr. 5150 himself,
Huh?
and apologize to my wife for not saying she ain't got no job. She don't work no well. I apologize to her. I'm so sorry. I'm talking about you ain't got no job, but man, them folk made me feel good tonight, man.
Why they made you feel good,
Made
man?
me feel like a celebrity, man. Made somebody notice that drip they seen. But I didn't think nobody ever seen that drip. But when they noticed my wife, this lady said the only reason why she came up there tonight where I was is because Bay posted a video about the spot that I would go to. And she said she had a good time. She was hoping that she was going to see Bay, but she got to see me. And I said, damn, look at Bay doing her thing. Boy, my baby doing her thing out here in 2028. What? I see you, Bay. All right, babe, I'm done.
And you ain't said nothing about what you was supposed to say about me, though.
I said,
it kind of just seemed about yourself.
Oh, I see the lady.
You ain't said nothing that you was supposed to say about me.
I said you doing your thing, baby.
No, you said that you were going to tell them what?
I apologize to you.
And not just that.
About your job, honey. You got a job 2020.
You ain't just said that.
What you want me to say?
Say what you were saying before. Don't now I get the camera on and now you want to be extra. No, I ain't pausing nothing because you said that you was proud of me. You ain't said nothing. You ain't said that.
I just said I apologize.
Say it again. I ain't said no apologize. You said you was proud.
I apologize for my wife.
You said you was
not
proud.
She got there and got no job like Tommy on Martin. Mm-hmm. But now I'm so proud of my wife for doing her thing in 2028. So if y'all don't mind, y'all hit that hype me up button for my wife. Hype me up. Hype me up.
Hit the like.
Hype me up.
Hit the like.
Your goofy self gotta argue with you all the time.
Nah, cause you was supposed to say it how you said it before I cut the camera on.
I forgot. That's why you gotta record me when I face though. I forget.
No, because you already know the condition how we was looking, so that's why I couldn't record it.
You recording it, bleed it out or something.
No, but you told me that you wanted to put this on video.
I'm proud of you, babe. I'm so proud of you. I swear I'm proud of you.
And why you proud of me, honey?
You're doing your thing out there in 2028.
What thing I'm doing?
Well, them folks know who I'm in, know who you is every time they see me, they know you.
Why you keep gotta say yourself first?
You wasn't there, so I'm gonna say me because you wasn't there. The lady said she came up there to see you and you wasn't there, so I just represent for you.
Well, thank you, honey.
I'm proud of you, babe. I'm so proud of you, babe. Do your thing in 2029, babe.
Thank you. No, we gotta say the right year so we could be right on track.
We
doing it in 2026.
You see, you with your whole universe.
We're going to 2029, but we gotta start right here first.
I go past 2029.
See this, I told him I'm like, this is first. No, because when we was in Bath and Body Works, remember we met the other lady and her husband.
Hey, people, it wasn't no baby.
I'm just saying.
It wasn't like that lady tonight, that alcohol kicked in on her. That's all I'm saying. The lady kicked in that alcohol. She was something serious.
Why you had to say that part? You didn't have to say that part.
Well, you edited or something. I know one thing.
No, you said what you said, but she expressed how she really feel though.
Them folks was excited to see a nigga now. What, Tiana? I said, babe, don't come no goddamn check now. I'm trying to tell you, I don't know how you see the video. That was just once in a lifetime. She ain't coming up like that.
I showed her. I was like,
That lady said, I came up here just because I seen her video. I said, damn, look at babe.
That made me feel good though.
If you would see how she act, she might would have cried if she would have seen you here.
She was so excited on the phone.
Now down there husband ran so fast to come see me. I'm like, God damn.
Yeah.
They don't so love you though.
I
They damn sure love you,
I be trying to do my positive thing. I be trying. I be trying. That make me feel good, though. You know, they really do make me feel good because you really don't know how you really reach people and stuff, you know, and I'm not an outside person like that. So 9 times out of 10, you ain't gonna catch me outside. If you catch me outside,
you gonna catch me out that door.
if you catch me outside, you better enjoy that moment because it ain't too regular on my side. I just get out every now and then. So
Gonna catch me and my homeboy out though.
Anyway. Yeah, I had to come on here because Bay, he had wanted to tell y'all that. And
I'm proud of Bay. In 2029. Go ahead and do your thing in 2028, Bay. So proud of you.
Why you proud, though? It's tough for you to meet that lady for you to be proud of me.
I don't meet a lot of people in my lifetime, but that lady there, boy, it might just with me or something. I don't know.
Yeah, because you worry about yourself.
But we was in Baton Rouge, them folk knew who I was.
Okay. And then when we went out of town, the lady knew who we was, too.
We was in Walmart, people knew who we was.
Walmart. Oh, yeah. That was
they say, you always be eating. So she keep me fed.
Got to. These bumps know they getting big, boy.
I'm feeling like Calvin.
Yeah. It's probably about to push out everything that I've been feeling up out of me, and I'm going to be feeling better. Thank you. That made me feel good, though.
Well, we thank y'all so much.
I appreciate all y'all support.
And that's one of our fans.
I really do. Yeah. I do appreciate y'all support.
I love our family members.
Y'all made my husband proud of me. Look at them.
I forgot to be proud of you beforehand.
No, you wasn't, because you said you don't work no job.
I just gonna tell you, I'm gonna always tell you ain't got no goddamn job, Tommy.
Whatever. You don't be telling me that. You supposed to encourage me like, yeah, babe, you got this. Don't tell me I got this now.
I had to tell you that. You still ain't got no job.
No, but you say I'm doing it. Don't tell me I'm doing it now.
Yeah, but you still ain't got no job, Tommy.
I got a job. I work every day. I may not come early. I might come late. But I shows up. And that's all that matters. It might not be long. It might be short. Sometimes it may be long. Exactly. Sometimes it may be long.
A whole lifetime.
But I show up. It might not be much, but I come and bring something. And I still show up.
What?
I go to work every day. Don't forget that. I work hard, Tommy.
Oh, you do work on Sundays, I forgot.
I work every day.
Oh, there you go.
Thank y'all for that. Y'all done help my husband made my husband proud of me.
Girl, I'm proud of you beforehand.
No, you wasn't.
Stop saying that shit now.
You wasn't. You proud of me now. Because somebody got to see you.
They don't see me anyway. I'm black.
You colorful. That's what you colorful.
You ain't gonna be able to miss me.
And ain't. Point you out to meet me in March.
You can try, but you gonna see me or hear me one.
That too.
I'm most definitely gonna smell me.
Cut. Frying chicken in less than 1 inch of grease. All this chicken. You can't tell me God ain't good. This gonna be some good chicken. I'm over here working miracles, y'all. When I thought I wasn't gonna make it, I made it. Look at that chicken. Look at that chicken. Don't pay attention to the little bun right there, but look at that chicken though. Baby, when I tell you the struggle is real over here frying this chicken in this inch of grease though. Mom, we'll taste a piece of chicken. How that chicken taste, Mom?
It's good. What's it say?
How it taste, Mom?
It's good.
Mm-hmm. She over here smacking her lips. I tried to catch her with the bone in the mouth, y'all. Frying chicken in 1 inch of grease over here.
Yeah, she can cook with 1 inch of grease.
Over here spending time with my mama. She over here working me like a man again. Got me in here frying some chicken and fries. Got me over here working miracles with an inch of grease. I done fried 30 pieces of chicken plus the 4 we done ate up together, 2 apiece. And then I'm over here frying French fries in an inch of grease, less than an inch of grease, y'all. Less than an inch of grease. This how you know when you got the love for cooking. Can't nobody fry this many pieces of chicken in in self-rising flour at that in an inch of grease. And then on top of that, well, only that little inch of grease we had. The grease ain't burnt, y'all. The grease ain't burnt, y'all. Look at those French fries, y'all. Look at those fries, y'all. Good and crispy. And less than an inch of grease. Blessed hands, blessed hands. Blessed hands.